2021 questions. In last video, as first part, we discussed first four questions from complex numbers asked in March sessions of 2021. And now, this is the question asked in 17th March from complex numbers. See, look here, three different sets are given, S1, S2, S3. And then we need to think about S1 intersection S2 intersection S3. That means intersection in the sense common. So we need to think about the common elements of these three sets. And we need to count the number of common elements in these three sets. If there is only one common element, choose this first option. Is a singleton set. If this intersection, that means if these three sets have only two common elements, our option is 2, has exactly 2 elements. If it has many elements, option 3. If it has exactly 3 elements, that means if these three sets have exactly 3 common elements, then our choice is option 4. So our task is to think about the common elements of these three sets. To think about the common elements of these three sets, we need to analyze the definition and the elements of these three sets individually. Okay, so set S1 లో ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఎలాంటి ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, S2 లో ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి, S3 లో ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి, ఈ త్రీ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ని సాటిస్ఫై చేసే విధంగా, దట్ మీన్స్ కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ త్రీ సెట్స్ అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ ఈ ప్రాపర్టీ సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వాలి, అదే యాజ్ వెల్ సెకండ్ ప్రాపర్టీ సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వాలి, యాజ్ వెల్ థర్డ్ ప్రాపర్టీ సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వాలి. సో ఐ నీడ్ టు థింక్ అబౌట్ ఏ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ Z which is of the format x plus iy. So now I need to find out x and y. ఈ త్రీ ప్రాపర్టీస్ సాటిస్ఫై అయ్యే విధంగా ఎన్ని x, y pairs మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలుగుతామో, డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ దట్ వీ నీడ్ టు చూస్ దిస్ కరస్పాండింగ్ ఆప్షన్. ఓకే, సో నౌ యూ జస్ట్ అప్లై దీస్ త్రీ ప్రాపర్టీస్ వన్ బై వన్ ఫర్ దిస్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ z is equals to x plus iy. When you think about this S3, what is its definition? Imaginary part of z is less than or equals to 1. Imaginary part of z is less than or equals to 1 in the sense, see, for x plus iy, real part is x, imaginary part is y, so y is less than or equals to 1. These three conditions are in terms of z, complex number z. Now I am going to convert these three conditions into algebraic form using x and y. Okay, related to third condition, we have y less than or equals to 1. Then think about the second condition. Real part of 1 minus I into z is greater than or equals to 1. Basically, what is 1 minus I into z? Okay, so we need to think about 1 minus I into z. Z is x plus iy, right? So now you just think here. Yeah, 1 minus I into z means x plus iy. So you just multiply this. As a rough, you just multiply this. Using this, you need to think about real part which is greater than or equals to 1. So multiply that. So real part of 1 minus I into z is greater than or equals to 1. 1 minus I into x plus iy. So you just multiply. 1 into x plus iy minus I into x plus iy minus ix minus I into iy. I square is minus 1 plus y. So real part is x plus y. As they mention here, real part of 1 minus I into z, which is x plus y, greater than or equals to 1. That is the second condition. So S3, this is the condition. S2, this is the condition. Now we need to think about S1, third condition. What is the third condition? Modulus of z minus 1 is less than or equals to 2. What is meant by modulus? Modulus of a complex number is root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Telusu kada? So z is x plus iy, z minus 1 is x plus iy minus 1. X plus iy minus 1 means modulus of x minus 1 plus iy is less than or equals to root 2. Modulus of this is root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square. So both sides, if you square on both sides, you left with what? At the end you left with x minus 1 whole square plus y square is less than or equals to 2. Now we need to think about the common elements of these three. We need to find out the pairs of x comma y which is satisfying these three relations. That's our part. Okay. See, x minus 1 whole square plus y square is less than or equals to 2. So algebraic గా ప్రొసీడ్ అయ్యి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం ఒక పద్ధతి. అండ్ ద అదర్ వే ఈజ్ ఈ త్రీ ఈక్వేషన్స్ యొక్క గ్రాఫ్స్ స్కెచ్ చేసి కోఆర్డినేట్ ప్లేన్లో అక్కడ నుంచి మనం నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ డిసైడ్ చేయడం ఇంకొక పద్ధతి. సో రెండు ఈజీ. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ జస్ట్ థింక్ అబౌట్ ద గ్రాఫికల్ వే. గ్రాఫ్ స్కెచ్ చేయాలంటే మనకు తెలిసి ఉండాలి, మినిమం నాలెడ్జ్ అబౌట్ ఆల్ దీస్ కర్వ్స్ తెలిసి ఉండాలి. ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2 అనుకో. If it is equals to 2, then it represents a circle whose center is 1 comma 0. Okay, so center is 1 comma 0. So if this is the center with a radius root 2 is equals to 2 అయితే ఎలా ఉంటుందో ముందు నేను స్కెచ్ చేస్తున్నాను. is equals to 2 అయితే ఈ పాయింట్ సెంటర్ గా తీసుకుంటూ రూట్ 2 యూనిట్స్ రేడియస్ గా we need to sketch a circle. Okay, maybe if it is radius, so circle is like this. ఇలా ఉంటుంది circle. Okay, this is center 1 comma 0, and now this is less than or equals to root 2. Less than or equals to root 2 represents interior of the circle. So all the points in the interior of the circle is represented by this inequality. Then think about the next inequality, which is x plus y greater than or equals to 1. Again, x plus y is equals to 1 డ్రా చేయాలి. x plus y is equals to 1 అంటే x0 తీసుకుంటే y1, y0 తీసుకుంటే x1. అంటే one point is 1 comma 0 and the other point is somewhere you will get here which is 0 comma 1. So the line will pass through these 2 points. Okay, what is this point? 0 comma 1. Okay, 0 comma 1 ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే just a minute. So 0 comma 1 దీన్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుందో చెక్ చేస్తున్నాను. x ప్లస్ లో 0 తీసుకుంటే 1 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ 2. సో ఒక లైన్ స్కెచ్ చేయాలంటే ఎప్పుడైనా సరే x0 తీసుకుంటే y1, y0 తీసుకుంటే x1. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద అదర్ పాయింట్ విచ్ ఇస్ 0 కామా 1. ఈ 2 పాయింట్స్ నుంచి పాస్ అయ్యే విధంగా మనం లైన్ ని స్కెచ్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. దిస్ రెడ్ కలర్ పార్ట్ రిప్రజెంట్స్ x ప్లస్ y గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1 అంటే ఎటువైపు రీజియన్ తీసుకోవాలి. సి సింప్లీ ఈ లైన్ కి అటువైపు ఒక రీజియన్ ఉంది, ఇటువైపు ఒక రీజియన్ ఉంది. సో అంటే ఈ సైడ్ ఈ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్లేన్ తీసుకోవాలా, ఈ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్లేన్ తీసుకోవాలా ఆలోచించాలి. ఇక్కడ 0, 0 ఆరిజిన్ ఉంది కదా, ఇందులో ఆరిజిన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 0 ప్లస్ 0 దట్ మీన్స్ 0 గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1 అవ్వదు. కాబట్టి 0, 0 ఈ ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీ సాటిస్ఫై చేయదు. కాబట్టి ఈ రీజియన్ కాకుండా ఈ రీజియన్ ని మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. This second inequality represents all this red color region. This third inequality represents all the points in the interior of the region. Whereas what you say about this first inequality, y less than or equals to 1. Mali y is equals to 1 equation కనుక మనం డ్రా చేస్తే at this point we need to sketch a line. This line is y is equals to 1 and y less than or equals to 1 means all this green color part. Now when you observe, see this region, if you observe, ఈ రీజియన్ ఏదైతే నేను చూపిస్తున్నానో ఇది సర్కిల్ కి ఇంటీరియర్ లో ఉంది, ఈ రెడ్ కలర్ రీజియన్ లో ఉంది, యాజ్ వెల్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ రీజియన్ లో కూడా ఉంది. అంటే ఈ రీజియన్ అనేది కంప్లీట్లీ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ త్రీ S1, S2 అండ్ S3. ఈ రీజియన్ లో ఇన్ఫైనైట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పాయింట్స్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఉంటాయి. ప్లేన్ కదా, ప్లేన్ మీద కొంచెం స్పేస్ తీసుకున్నా అందులో ఇన్ఫైనైట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పాయింట్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఇట్ కంటైన్స్ ఇన్ఫైనైట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పాయింట్స్ విచ్ రిప్రజెంట్స్ infinitely many elements. So option 3 is your answer for this problem. Okay, so the problem completely involves with conversion of complex inequalities into algebraic inequalities and then analyzing these three inequalities in a graphical way. Okay, have a look and your answer is option 3. Next problem from this complex numbers, which is asked in 18th March 2021 morning session. 18th March morning. Okay, and the problem is related to the geometry of the complex numbers. See, if the equation a mod z square plus alpha bar z plus alpha z bar plus d is equals to 0 represents a circle with reals AD. With reals AD in the sense alpha is a complex number. Then which of the following is correct? We need to choose one which is correct among these four. For that we need to recall the general equation of a circle in complex form. General equation of a circle in complex form is z bar plus pz plus p bar. See, pz bar plus p bar z actually, okay? Pz bar plus p bar z plus b is equals to 0. This is the general equation of the circle. P is a complex number, z is also complex number. For this general equation of circle, center is minus p, whereas radius is square root of p bar minus p. Okay? Now, ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ని ఈ ఫార్మాట్ లోకి మార్చాలి. ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ ఈ ఫార్మాట్ లోకి మార్చాలంటే z బార్ ఉండాలి ముందు. Mod z square is z bar. We are very familiar with that property. Okay? Very important property. Okay? What is that? Mod z square is equals to z bar. So we will easily rewrite that mod z square as z bar. Okay. But here z bar coefficient is 1. But as given a. So divide everything with a. Divide everything with a and write that mod z square as z bar. Then given equation is simply nothing but mod z square is z bar, and since we are dividing with a, plus alpha bar by a z plus alpha by a z bar plus d by a is equals to 0. This is the equation. Now you just try to compare this equation with the general equation of the circles in complex when you just try to compare these two. When you compare these two, p is nothing but alpha by a. P is what? Alpha by a. And b is nothing but d by a. See, radius is p bar minus b. So radius exist avali ante, circle exist avali ante under the root positive quantity undali. So for that here we need to note that p bar minus b is greater than 0, or you may say greater than or equals to 0, no problem. So p bar minus b greater than or equals to 0. P is what? P is this coefficient of z bar which is alpha by a. That implies alpha by a into p bar means alpha bar by a minus b means d by a is greater than or equals to 0. If you multiply everything with a square, what will happen? Alpha bar minus ad is greater than or equals to 0. Alpha bar is again nothing but mod alpha square. So mod alpha square minus ad greater than or equals to 0. So it happens at 2 and 3. And one more thing, since we are dividing with a here, see, since coefficient is a and we are dividing everything with a, that a should be not equals to 0. That a should be a non-real number. That's why we need to choose option 2 as our answer. This value must be greater than 0. A is non-zero real number. Both should happen, and that's why option 2 is our choice. Okay, that's the problem. So ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఆన్సర్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మనకి ఈ జనరల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ ఇన్ కాంప్లెక్స్ ఫామ్ ఐడియా ఉంటేనే చేయగలుగుతాం. ఇది ఐడియా ఉంటే ఇది చేయడానికి ఏం లేదు, జస్ట్ కంపారిజనే. ఓకే, సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఏదైనా లిటిల్ బిట్ డిఫికల్టీ అనిపిస్తుంది అంటే ఈ జనరల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ ఇన్ కాంప్లెక్స్ ఫామ్ మన బ్రెయిన్లో లేదని అర్థం. అంతకు మించి డిఫికల్టీ అనేది లేదు ఇక్కడ. So next problem again from 18th March, z1 z2 be the roots of this z square plus az plus 12 is equals to 0 and z1 z2 origin. These three are forming an equilateral triangle. We need to find the value of mod a. So equilateral triangle property మనం యూజ్ చేయాలి. Three complex numbers, say z1 z2 z3, if they form an equilateral triangle then we have this condition. ఆల్రెడీ మనం సినాప్సిస్ వీడియోలో డిస్కస్ చేసి ఉంటాం. z1 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ z2 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ z1 z3 స్క్వేర్ is equals to z1 z2 plus z2 z3 plus z3 z1 is the condition related to the equilateral triangle. If three complex numbers z1 z2 z3 forms an equilateral triangle, then this is the condition with us. ఇవన్నీ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్ములాస్ కింద గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి మనం రిలేటెడ్ టు కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్. అయితే ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినటువంటి త్రీ వర్టిసెస్ ఎవరంటే z1 z2 తో పాటుగా ఇంకొక వర్టెక్స్ ఆరిజిన్ అన్నాడు. అంటే z3 ని ఆరిజిన్ తో రీప్లేస్ చేయొచ్చు. సో టేక్ z3 is equals to 0 because one complex number is origin. So if you replace z3 with 0, 0 square is 0, z3 0, this is 0, z3 0, this is 0. So we have z1 square plus z2 square is equals to z1 z2. And now what is this z1 square plus z2 square? z1 square plus z2 square is simply z1 plus z2 whole square minus 2 z1 z2 is equals to z1 z2. Send this minus 2 z1 z2 that side. What you have? z1 plus z2 whole square is equals to 3 z1 z2. And then as they given, z1 z2 are the roots of this z square plus az plus 12. Just simply use sum of roots and product of the roots concept. See what you say about that sum of roots and product of the roots. z1 plus z2 is sum of roots, which is minus a. That implies minus a square is equals to 3 into z1 z2, product of the roots. Product of the roots usually constant by z square coefficient, which is 12 here, 3 into 12. And finally we have a square is equals to 36. Since a square is equals to 36, a is equals to plus or minus 6. But the question is about mentioning modulus of a, which is equals to 6. There ends the problem. So simply use this equilateral triangle condition along with sum of roots, product of the roots concept of a quadratic. There ends the problem. Okay, have a look. So before going to discuss next question of complex numbers from this JEE Main March 2021, you all first like this video and you just try to share this video for all your fellow aspirants. Just support this channel with your likes, shares as well, your feedback as your comments. Okay, and you have previous year discussion of previous year questions related to mathematics JEE Mains, different playlists in our channel. You just follow all these playlists. For sure this playlist and these previous year questions will boost your confidence as well as your rank in the final examination. And now just look at the next question. Next problem. Let a complex number b w is equals to 1 minus root 3i. We have one complex number. Another complex number is z such that modulus of zw is equals to 1. Okay. And another relation is this argument of z minus argument of w is equals to pi by 2. Then area of the triangle with vertices origin z and w. See, these three are the vertices of a triangle. We need to calculate its area. For that, these are the restrictions, these are the relations between the complex numbers z and w. First thing is, w is given as 1 minus root 3i. Okay. What to say about its modulus? Modulus of w is equals to square root of 1 plus root 3 square is 3, that is equals to 2. Okay. This is something about w. And we have here mod zw is equals to 1, that represents that modulus of z is equals to 1 by mod w, which is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay. And the next thing, argument of z minus argument of w is equals to pi by 2. What it represents? Argument of z is 90 plus this argument of w. Okay. Where is this argument of w? Where is this w? Actually, w is 1 minus root 3i, which corresponds to the point 1 comma minus root 3, right? When you think about its position in the organed plane, see, if this is the organed plane, somewhere 1 comma minus root 3, somewhere the point is here, w. This is origin. Okay, just join origin and this w. Now we need to look at z, whose argument is pi by 2 plus this argument of w. This is the argument of w. We need to add pi by 2 for this. Okay, somewhere we will get this z somewhere here. angle between this Z and this W is 90 degrees. So this is Z. When you join this, here we have a triangle. You need to calculate its area. See, clearly if you observe, this is a right angle triangle. For a right angle triangle, area is half product of the sides contain this right angle. That means, see, calculate this length, which is nothing but modulus of W. Calculate this length, which is nothing but modulus of Z. And so, its area is simply half this length, modulus of W into modulus of Z. That's it. We have modulus of W as 2, modulus of Z as 1 by 2. So the product is simply 1 and area is 1 by 2. There ends the problem. And this is one of the interesting idea related to the complex number. If two complex numbers are forming triangle with origin, then the area is nothing but simply modulus of the modulus of the product of those two complex numbers, and then our answer is 1 by 2 for this problem. Okay, have a look. And finally, these are the questions from JEE Main March 2021 from complex numbers. Okay, first part contains 4 problems and the second part contains 4 more problems. There ends this discussion.